How to hide the app names on iPhone iOS 18 home screen. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and tap hold on your home screen until the apps starts to jiggle. Once the apps are jiggling, tap on the edit button on the top left of your screen and further tap on the Customize option in the menu that appears. Now, go ahead and tap on the large option you see there, and now, as you can see, the app's name are hidden. Tap anywhere on the screen to save the changes that you just made. So, this is how you can hide the app names on iPhone iOS 18 home screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.